So we've got a small pot here and we've got our compost mix, and this is just a normal mix. I just got a little bit of sand added into it. And we're going to do our cucumbers in one pot, just literally filling a pot. And the cucumber we are sowing today is cucumber Ladiva, and this is a sweet all-female variety, can crop outdoors. So we want to try some outdoors. We tried last year, but had a bit of a failure. So it says it can be sowed February through to May. Highly recommended for succulent and sweet cucumbers. An all-female variety has excellent cold tolerance, making it suitable to grow outdoors. So we're going to give this a go. We've already opened these seeds, and this was, well, these are dated March 19. So we've got a few seeds left, and as we can see, they're yellow and they're quite long seeds, and we're just going to put them into the pot. We're going to do maybe, how many have we got? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10. We don't really need 10. We'll save some more. In case these won't work, we can come back. We'll do a successional crop, which is what we need to do a lot of. So we're just pushing these in, just in the compost, spreading them out, and we're covering them up. And we're just giving it a cover of compost on top, and we put our label in. This is cucumber Ladiva. Simple. Cucumber Ladiva. There we go. And that's just going to sit in the polytunnel. Give it a bit of a spray. And it's just going to grow indoors in the tunnel and grow on from here. There we go. And that's one of our cucumbers grown. We do want to do some mini munch, but we haven't got any mini munch seeds. I brought down the cucumber pack, and all that we've got is courgettes, courgettes, courgettes. Cucumber Ridge, Market More. And we've got Telegraph. We did that last year. Wasn't that great. Market More. Socrates F1. That's an improved greenhouse petia type. Vigorous strong plants producing mini bitter-free cues. All female, best grown in greenhouse or tunnel. So I'm actually going to do some of those as well. So I'm going to put the seeds away, and we get another tub, and we grow Ladiva too. And the same procedure, just filling it out. I want to do mini munch, because we grew mini munch at the end of August, September, and we just started to get a crop, and then we got the cold, and then we lost it. But there's a video of my daughter eating our mini munch, so we really want to do that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seeds, and that's all we got. So that's just going to go into the pot, nice and easy. Cover it up. A label. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mark off empty. So when we look through the packets, I know now. They're empty. Good idea. Good plan. Just be good if I could find my pencil when I want one. So this is Socrates. Cucumber. There we go. And we're just going to give that a water. And that's going to sit onto the polytunnel bench.